by 8 minute outside diameter of this connection. With the it is the copper tubes for both the condenser as well as the but the fins there is a galvanized steel casing gasket is there, and the fin material is the aluminum material that is to be available. uh, uh, this is to be fit in my cooling inlet section after the enthalpy wheel. It is to be already shown in the my figure. This is the primary. This is the experimental setup. This is before closing the my duct one sheet over there front section. This is the front way. Over here in the primary section, if you can see that the front side there is a regeneration section over there. It is the one fan is mounted over. It is not mounted right now. In the next figure, it is to be available. This is the suction fan. The suction fan will suck the air that is to be supplied to the my enthalpy wheel. And over here, after the enthalpy wheel, this is the atmospheric air to be supplied to the enthalpy wheel. Then after enthalpy wheel, it is the air is passing over the regeneration section. In the regeneration section, there is a 1000 watt heater is M type heater is there, which is which is to be heat the air, which is decreasing, increasing the temperature and decreasing the humidity of the air. And then after it is the air, hot air will supply to the desiccant wheel, and then the air is exhausted to the atmosphere. This the rotating mechanism is over here. And on the similarly on the back side, if you can see, there is a air inlet section to the evaporating coil. Over here, one partition is there. It is not mentioned. It is to be not. It's I have removed due to by pick taking one pick over here. And similarly, on the back side of this heater coil, there is another section chamber that the air will be coming from the desiccant wheel, and this is the on the other side there is a exhaust air from the room that is to enter to the duct and then supply to the desiccant wheel, and then desiccant wheel to the further enthalpy wheel, then heat recover sorry evaporating coil, and through the suction fan it is again further entering to the uh, room. Over here, this the speech is mounting over here, which is to operate the this is the dimmer set to operating the regulating the temperature, maintaining the temperature by decreasing the heat voltage. Similarly, this is the one speed regulating speech. This is to controlling the speed of the enthalpy wheel. And this switch over here, I'm mounting three different speech for controlling the speed of suction and exhaust fan of regeneration section, as well as regulating the speed of uh, exhaust fan which is coming the air which is sucked from the room, and one speed that is to operating the speed of maintaining the speed of a desiccant wheel. There are four regulating speeds is over here. Then similar way, uh, this is the at the top side, if you can see wire is there, that is to be over here. I am putting the DST22 sensor, which is completely there are seven sensor I am putting over here, and there's the one is in the cabin near to the suction fan. uh, the different section, whatever the changes in the temperature and humidity, that is I will get measured, and this wire will be directly connected to the Arduino board. This is the my setup, that is after modification, number of modification and trial. Over here, this is the